Hi, Julian here from the SERPed.net team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track press releases in SERPed.net. As you may already know, Rank Tracker, which is located here, allows you to track keyword positions in the countries and even cities of your choice. So you can see how well your sites or client sites perform in the search engines. Well, Rank Tracker also allows you to track titles, which is useful for press release tracking. To track the positions of a press release, you simply need to click on the blue plus button here. It's going to open the Add Keywords modal window. Here, site tracking is selected by default, but you have the option to select press release tracking. You simply need to copy and paste the original title of the press release. This one, for example, you then need to enter the keywords you want to monitor. These ones, for example, you must select a check period, of course. So how often do you want the system to check positions? I'm going to select 5 days. Then you must select a search engine. So Google US, for example. You can even add a city if you want to. Let's keep it simple, no city. You have access to advanced options here to select the country and language of the search volume that will be displayed in the results table. I'll leave it as it is. Then you simply need to click on Add Keywords. Alright, so we're back on the dashboard. As you can see, the title I entered is now listed here, so it's accessible from this menu. You can see the 3 keywords I entered here. I'll pause this video until we get results. Alright, we're back. We can now see positions here. It's important to understand that the system tracks titles and not pages, which means this URL could very well be replaced by another one in the future if another page ranks higher for this keyword. No variation yet, as it's the first time the system checks for these keywords. No overtime graph either, but we should see one in 5 days after the system checks these keywords for the second time. We have more data here. If you click on a keyword, you will access more data about this specific keyword. And if you click on the URL here, you will open the press release in question. Alright, you now know how to track press releases in SERPed.net. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly support team by clicking here and on Submit a Ticket.